evaluator is Osamasa Nakano. Everybody please help me with big hands.
どうぞ、thank you very much. Your story is very moving, and your project is the entertaining speech. The objectives are entertaining the audience by relating a personal experience and organize an entertaining speech for maximum impact. Two factors. Satisfactory achieved in your speech. Perfect. And good point of the speech is the constructed speech. Very good. Firstly, you have to give that idea. What is necessary for the communication? Verbal communication is necessary. This is a message at first, obvious speech. But really it's not true. In the end of a speech, this situation is very good. And next, you move to the explanation of your father's characteristic. He is very stubborn. He declined the grandfather's offer. So you can make an image of your family. From your family, the next stage, the conversation, very vivid, very funny conversation with your father and mother. He says nothing where to go, where to be back. So such kind of things causes some trouble in your house. You express that trouble very vividly. That is a very interesting point of your speech. And final stage is very important. This is an experience you learned from your father's back. That is the main message of it. That streamline is very clear and very understandable. And final message is non-verbal communication is important, but you didn't say that. It's good. If there's some suggestion to you, the situation making, in a situation making, if that's characteristics like this, he's very stubborn, he's against his father's offer. This is one idea. But how about this? He's a really dream chaser. He always chased his dream, and he never listened to others' opinion. So he's very straight. Right? For example, when he goes to the road crossing, he never turns left or right. He always goes straight. Such a person he was. That kind of expression. If this dream chaser situation is made, the story itself will change. You said the father characteristics gives the difficulty in your family. This expression gives a little dark image to your speech. So lighter is better, I think. Thank you very much.